6 or 60, everyone likes to get a glimpse of their favorite celebrity and get their autograph. But to whom do all these celebrities go to? To get an autograph, their signature. Yes, to the person who approves their financials, their chartered accountant. Especially the people who manage their finance and certify the same, their chartered accountants. Be it a country, an organization, a family, an individual, anywhere, everywhere.
Institute of Chartered Accountants has been at the forefront in the development of our accounting profession. The impressive growth in your membership bears testimony to the growing demand for your services both at home and abroad. Yours is one of the premier accounting bodies in the world today, and this is a matter of great pride for all of us. Indian chartered accountants have truly earned a name and fame for themselves long before Indian business was ready to face the challenge of globalization and benchmark our businesses against global best standards. Our professionals were excelling.
Time has now come for the chartered accountants to elevate themselves from component audit to the system performance audit. How are you going to prepare yourself from now onwards for celebrating the year of completing the 100 years of service in auditing by the year 2049? Hence the vision of ICAI can be. ICAI will transform into a financial management and financial advice organization with focus towards economic development of the nation and enhancing the growth of GDP in all three sectors of the economy. That's the vision.
Life is all about managing and handling money. Where isn't money involved? Money is involved everywhere. Anyone and everyone requires money. Everyone desires to be wealthy, grow and control their finances. And that is why the understanding of finance becomes everything. That is why the education of finance becomes important than ever before. Finance is the backbone of anything, everything.
Corporate governance is largely voluntary. You can't impose corporate governance. India's ranking on corporate governance is very good. So I would like to commend the Institute of Chartered Accountants and the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for the initiatives that they have taken in helping the common man to understand what corporate governance is all about.
We have very high expectations that ICAI will continue to create the world of tomorrow.
Through its sustained, meticulous work, has added considerably, not only to the accounting fraternity in India, but also to the generally strong progress of the country. I wish ICAI
institution has helped establish world-class accounting standards and has raised the level of corporate governance in the country. I wish all the members all the best for the future and hope that you will continue to serve the country.
What is chartered accountancy?
Basically, it is a profession of trust. It is the topmost professional course in the commerce stream.
Chartered accountancy is a course to acquire financial expertise.
Chartered accountancy course gives us versatile knowledge in different fields in the stream of commerce.
Why chartered accountancy?
It gives me pride to be a chartered accountant.
It gives me varied exposures. It is the only course that gives us maximum returns for minimum investment.
A chartered accountant can go anywhere, he can survive in any field.
How do you become a chartered accountant?
Through systematic approach.
Through dedication. Through proper understanding of concepts.
Where do you start chartered accountancy?
Gurukripa. Gurukripa.
Gurukripa.
I followed only Gurukripa books and cleared my chartered accountancy course in the first appearance.
The vision of Gurukripa is to be a pioneer in imparting quality education and knowledge in the field of finance, taxation, management, accounting, business law, assurance and systems, to offer an effective and convenient platform through classes, books and research assistance for students pursuing professional courses in the above subject fields. The mission and values of Gurukripa are integrity, honesty and transparency, excellence, continuous self-improvement, dedication and commitment to work, dissemination of relevant academic information, and showing the success path to students who come to us with faith.
Gurukripa is the ideal place for any Chennaiite or for anyone from anywhere in India or from abroad who's serious about becoming a chartered accountant or a financial expert. Gurukripa's team of faculties are a dedicated lot who untiringly disseminate the basic fundamentals of finance and taxes.
Gurukripa, in our institution, our objective is to make the professional education in chartered accountancy approachable and easy for the students.
Gurukripa is fully equipped with the best infrastructure, air-conditioned classrooms, LCD projectors for better clarity, and a library. In the past 10 years, more than 36,000 students have passed out of Gurukripa, including all India toppers, rank holders and gold medalists. Gurukripa is the first CA educational institution in India to provide complete and comprehensive books. The fee structure too is pretty low. At Gurukripa, the faculty and the student vibe together. Every faculty is a friend to every student. And studying at Gurukripa is fun. The driving force behind all this is the founder, the chairman of Gurukripa, Mr. G. Sekar. He has been a practicing chartered accountant for more than 25 years, is the chief mentor and leading faculty. And he is a member of the Central Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. True and complete knowledge gives discipline. From discipline comes worthiness. From worthiness, one gets wealth. And from wealth, one does good deeds. And from that comes joy. Sri Gurukripa's Institute of Management. Knowledge is light.
Welcome, my dear friends. Today is one of the important day in our life. We are going to know about the professional opportunities available for your students after passing 10th. What opportunities are available? Generally in the market, 8th, 9th, 10th student think, I have to go for IIT, I have to go for medical. But one more equal important course is available in commerce field. How science stream, engineering is the professional course, IIT is the esteemed course, medical course is there for biological students. The students who can opt for commerce equal to IIT equal to IAM, chartered accountancy course is there. One important point in chartered accountancy course, this is conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The institute is formed under Parliamentary Act in 1949. Even before Indian Constitution formed, the Accounts and Auditors Institute, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, was formed in 1949. Government Parliament gave power to this institute conduct this Chartered Accountancy Professional Examination course. Who can join this course? Before joining, let us know what are the opportunities available. If a person studied as an engineer, he can go join as a chemical engineer, mechanical engineer, electronics engineer, software engineer, hardware engineer, so many. Medical, they can choose a specialized field. Like that, in chartered accountancy course, if you are a chartered accountant, you are having two opportunities. Opportunity one, you can go for employment as a management consultant, a system consultant, a financial consultant, direct tax consultant, indirect tax consultant, or advisors in investment market. You can rise to the level of CEOs and CFOs, or even managing director and chairman of the company. So many chartered accountants are reached to that level. Another option, you can start your own practice anywhere in the country, even some of the foreign countries abroad. You can do auditing function, attesting function, and you can also act as a private tax consultant, direct tax, indirect tax, state law, VAT law contestant, or a financial consultant for so many companies. So privately also you can practice, or you can go for employment. Sir, what is the scope? As on date, India, we are having chartered accountants less than 2,20,000 chartered accountants. For the whole country of population of more than 120 crore population, we are the only less than 2,20,000 chartered accountants. Here I want to tell very proudly, whole world, if you take, compare, in my opinion, India is the largest body of the chartered accountants in the world. Without finance, no organization can survive. Take into account, you want to run a charitable trust, you want to run an educational institution, you want to run a corporate sector, you want to run a cooperative society, you want to run a small and medium enterprises, everywhere finance is involved. Wherever finance is there, accountants are necessary. I used to tell us a simple fun. Inflation or deflation will not affect the accountancy profession, especially chartered accountancy profession. Why I am telling this, profit or loss, account is necessary. You manufacture, excise duty is there. You import, customs duty is there. You produce or service tax is there. Or if you do sales, interstate sale, CST is there. Local sale, VAT is there. Accounting standards, auditing standards. So many financial procedures are there. So what is happening is, you are having opportunity because profit or loss accounts is necessary. So every accountant will have the job permanently in the country as well as outside the country. Now the question, sir, you are having opportunity. What is the entry level income? Practically, if you ask me, the chartered accountant who entered at the entry level, if he is a rank holder or a first time passed chartered accountant with reasonably a good communication and knowledge, good presentation skill, they are entering in India at a level of 15 to 16 lakhs per annum. Last year also, around nearly 200 people got more than 9 lakh salary at the entry level. Minimum entry level is around 5 lakhs. So what happened? Average 50,000 rupees salary at the age of 21 and a half or 22. Only profession which guarantee in this country is this chartered accountancy profession. Who can join this course? You can plan in 10th standard itself. After 10th, what you should do? In plus 2, 11th and 12th, what type of group you have to choose? That is more important, which will support you at the entry level. because this course for a student who passed +2 is having 3 levels. Level 1, CPT. Level 2, Inter-Professional Competency Course, Inter-IPCC. Level 3, Final. So this course is divided into 3 levels. So after passing 10th, you are in CBSE stream, you want to join a CBSE school. I will advise, as an experienced chartered accountant, take a group which is having accounts, mathematics, and economics, business studies. This group you choose, it will very much helpful for you in writing entrance examination, CPT examination. Suppose you are a state board student, not a CBSE student, then in your state, choose a group which is having accountancy, economics, maths or business maths and statistics, plus if you are having business studies or computer science, choose that group. But ensure that in the group what you are choosing, these 3 papers should be there. Accounts, mathematics and economics. In that case, it will helpful for you to write the entrance exam. Immediately student may ask, sir, I am a science stream student. I selected science, maths, physics, chemistry. Can I join this course? Any +2 student can join this course. But when you prepare for entrance examination, that is called CPT level examination, common proficiency test, the examination is conducted on 4 subjects: accounts, quantitative aptitude, that is maths and statistics, then economics and law. So if you rightly choose this group, then it is helpful, easy for you in the CPT examination. ICA, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, says, after 10th, you can register for this course. What is my suggestion is, don't bother up to when you are studying 11th. You may be joining in the school 11th by the month of June. Up to December, don't think about anything about chartered accountancy course. In the month of January, go and register for CA course, CPT examination. Where you can register with Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. You have to pay a fees prescribed. At present, the fees will be around 6,600 rupees. The institute may change the fees from time to time. After completing +1 examination, you can prepare for your, like an IIT student or medical college entrance examination student, you can prepare for CPT examination entrance in the 11th holiday itself. My dear student, if you sincerely ask me, 70 to 80% of your +2 commerce syllabus and CPT syllabuses are same in accounts, mathematics and economics. Except law. Immediately don't think that you are going to study law means all the laws of this country. Only you are going to study basic about Contract Act, Sale of Goods Act, Partnership Act. June, once again, the +2 classes starts. You are regularly going to your school. My sincere suggestion is spare 1 hour a day for CPT preparation. Your +2 examination will be over in the month of March. That is a very crucial period starts from you. You can't enjoy your summer holidays because every year the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India conduct CPT entrance examination twice, in the month of June, in the month of December. For the June examination, any students registered up to 31st March eligible to write the June entrance examination. Any students registered up to 30th September who is eligible to write December entrance examination. The past experience with the CA Institute, they will conduct this CPT examination 3rd Sunday of June or 3rd Sunday of December. But we are the +2 students, we can prepare ourselves for June entrance examination. So after March, take a very serious study. You can attend the institute classes or you can attend the private coaching classes. It is not compulsory, but you can have the classes. Prepare for those 2 months very sincerely. It is a distance education. It is not a regular college education. Institute will support you with the materials, If necessary, through its website, if necessary, some through e-learning also. But your responsibility is to study on your own. So when you are preparing CPT examination, after +2, you can prepare these 2 months very seriously. In my opinion, an average minimum 10 hours per day you have to spare from April 1st to last day of the examination for preparing CPT entrance examination. Because 4 papers you are going to write. How the examination system? The examination system is objective type questions. The examination will be conducted for 4 hours. First 2 hours, accountancy 60 marks and law 40 marks. 60 plus 40, 100 marks. 100 question will be asked. It is an objective question. If you are writing a wrong answer, you are be penalized by deducting 0.25 marks, 1/4 of the mark of the particular question. The second set of paper, second 2 hours, you will have examination in mathematics and statistics, quantitative aptitude and economics, 50 marks, 50 marks. So accounts 60 marks, law 40 marks, economics 50 marks, mathematics and statistics 50 marks, totally 200 marks. Condition for passing. Each subject, you have to secure minimum 30%. All the 4 papers put together, only if you secure 100 marks, then only you will be declared as passed in the CPT examination. So 50% is the pass mark, but independent pass mark for the paper is 30%. So this is the rule for passing the examination. I already told negative mark system will be there. Normally the June 3rd Sunday or December 3rd Sunday, the examination will be over. For the June exam, July 3rd week you will get your result. For your December exam, January 3rd week you will get your result. So once the result is declared, positively we are qualified in our CPT examination. Your level 2nd stage start. Your level 2nd stage start. That is, if you are passed in July CPT examination, register in your mind, you are passing the CPT examination in July after +2. Immediately you can go once again to the CA Institute, register for next level, inter PCC examination. For that you have to pay separate fees. The institute also will give you the material, and during this inter PCC examination, during the preparation, once you join before 31st July, you are eligible to write next year May examination. Current year July, before 31st if you register, you are eligible to write inter PCC examination next year May. Suppose you returned CPT examination in December, got your result in January, and you register yourself before 31st January for inter PCC examination, then you are eligible to write the same calendar year November examination. So I will take a positive student, +1, during +1 and +2 he registered for CPT, returned the examination after +2, immediately June entrance examination, CPT examination, July he got the result. So he immediately can register for IPCC. Next year May examination, he is eligible to write inter PCC. Now, during the inter IPCC, the institute expect you to undergo one orientation program course with the institute branches or regional office, and information technology training program for 100 hours. Both these are mandatory. You have to undergo either during this period of preparation for inter examination or immediately after the inter examination, but before joining articleship. I will come later on about the articleship. First, inter IPCC examination. Once you register, I told you registered in the month of July, you are eligible to write next year May examination. Same procedure will apply for December students also. So what you are eligible for? You have to write and prepare for 7 papers divided into 2 groups. Group 1, Group 2. In Group 1, you are having accountancy, costing and financial management, corporate and other laws, and communication and ethics, income tax, service tax, VAT. 4 papers, 100 marks. Group 2, advanced accounts, auditing and assurance standards, and